So she a flat tire go on, I say, Lord, you take a turn over the boat to the two away.
Oh, the kid have scenario there. Because when you have somebody that can't swim and start freak out for you, know.
Ball again, my G. Do it for the vlog, do it for the vlog. You ready for dinner?
Ready? Ready?
Guys, we're at this seafood restaurant.
Yeah.
You know, kind of a wait.
It's a very busy night.
Yeah, busy night, man. So we're there to get some drinks for pass some time, basically.
Yeah.
You know, we just come from Jaden's show a while ago.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Jaden decides that him and with the grown folk.
No, man, we too old, so him gone do him thing for the day.
Yes, last one. It's a virgin drink though. Milk. Right? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Guys, I said to the bartender, say, you know, make something strong, put in another cup here. I'm no business hour. Make something strong. The man said, alright, say no more, fam.
And him drink off half 5:30. I'm just get it.
Say no more, fam. Say no more, fam.
You can't carry him.
We're up on vacation, you know, so we are worried about. We're on vacation. Hmm? I'm going to just go up and just work out with the alcohol.
You supposed to can reach up?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course, of course. We'll still there wait for our turn, guys. You see me?
So we're hopeful that we will get through very quickly or soon. How we see people are going. So
yeah.
Let's see.
Look like how we this. Oh, they're calling us. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, take up your phone there. Ah. Yeah, our time, guys. Our time. Oh, them smart, man. They seat us right beside the bar. I like that.
How are you?
Good, thank you. So I'm going with this menu here. So as I say, guys, a seafood restaurant. So I'll go so I'll take place. People, me not lie. Bread are bad. Bread are bad.
I'm hungry.
Bite it, make them see. Bite the bread, make them see. Poke up your mouth, man.
Like Jaden?
Babe, poke up your mouth. They're going to get stush.
Mistush.
Bite the bread, make them see, no? Or the bread nice. Look at the... Watch it. Bread soft. Watch it. Squeeze the bread, make them see it.
You know, squeeze your bread.
Yeah, but people, the bread are nice, man.
Hungry.
Proper. General, my orange juice, more coconut rum in it. What you have? Are you some stronger?
You want more hungry?
Rum in my cup, I want to you.
You don't eat it, you know?
Rum in my cup. What you say, people? What you say? Tell me. Rum in my cup.
They must say so like say it already start getting tea for your bread is empty.
Ball again, my G. Do it for the vlog, do it for the vlog. Watch out now. Which one are yours? Which one are yours, babe? Which one are yours? Yeah, man. It's a real deal, eh? Let me tell you something, I like the seat we get to know, babe. Let me tell you, I like the seat we get to know.
Let's see if friends get drunk. I thought we're gonna go to karaoke after this. We're gonna go to karaoke.
Karaoke can go on.
Really?
And that's me sing out and swing from pole and all them things there.
When
you lick a chip in.
In the bedroom and not for karaoke.
You see me sing out, man. Come on, that babe. Look like a rasta man. What them say this is again? What them say this way?
Smoked marlin wrap.
Smoked marlin wraps. Oh.
Is that wrap?
Yeah, it wrap with something in it. This is the appetizer, guys. Smoked marlin wrap. And this is crab cake. It's a little bit more familiar, but that one there, smoked marlin. It cooked, man. Smoke. Yeah. It's alright.
So let's taste this first.
How's that?
Raw.
What it tastes like?
Papa.
Vegetables?
Papa and onions. Raw onions. I don't like that.
Alright, I'm gonna dig in on my crab cake now. Proper. Trust me. Awesome, you know? That's for me. Alright. Thank you. Yeah. I never remember what else they did there. This is seafood grill or something like that them call it. See scallops right there, so. Or mussels. 1 try 2. And you got salmon, grilled salmon?
Pan seared salmon.
Okay. Alright, digging time, guys. Amen. Alright. But there you know, see? Me and man, I don't know the food on calamari, mussels, scallops. None of them things I don't know the food around. You see me? I'm say, alright, fine, let me try it. I don't like it. It's a mussels. I don't like it, guys. I tell you the truth. You can let us know in the comments what you guys think about mussels, but me personally, nah, me no taste good to me. It don't taste good to me at all.
Stick to the fish, bro.
It's very good, overall. But the mussels me not dig. I dig mussels at all. You know what? There you go. As I say, it's very good otherwise. You know what?
Guys, I'm taking long.
Make sure you catch everything, Jaden. Hey, what's up?
Hey guys.
Step back, Jaden. Yeah, not go too far. Let me see. Yeah, like so. Like right here, yeah. Like this, so.
Look at the image on the camera here. That's what they want to keep. Right here.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Big picture too.
Okay. See for now.
Who that? Yo, oh, go on. No.
Alright, I'm just busy.
Say hi.
Hi, vlog.
Hi guys.
Yeah, guys, so look some breakfast right now, you know. Is it
Jaden.
Alright, let's go, guys. Watch him now. Enjoy breakfast, babe.
So what is work?
Guys, you know, I always see squirrel egg here and never ever seen I tried it. But it's actually not bad. It can go on, is it? Like them poached egg in a, what you call it, tomato sauce.
Yeah.
It's not bad. You can eat, man. It's egg soaked in the pasta sauce.
Can I take it?
Okay. Wait. Let me give it to you. Alright, cut it. Here you go. Cut it. Cut it. Use a knife and cut it. Yeah. Good. Yeah. What do you think?
Oh my god, we have
You like it?
competition.
Okay. Yeah, us. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
It's crazy.
Kiddies food, but Jaden said not upon this. Jaden said it's too little for him. Yeah, this is the life, you know? Right. Ooh. Hey.
I can see you underwater. Go, baby.
Yo, people make can't swim to save my life. You heard those fellas?
Try it again.
Save my life.
Try it again, try it again, try it again. You can stand up, you can stand up. Sit down. You can stand up. Now you can reach 4 feet, get it out.
Is it not quite 4 feet?
Barely.
Yeah, tell him come. Tell him come. Tell him come. Look up kayaking here to the people and I'm carrying back ashore. Yo, don't you have flat tire go on, you know? I say, Lord, you have to turn over the boat to the tour away.
Because when you have people who can't swim, it's when they start freak up on you in the water, you don't want that here. So I want 3 hours I got it out there. Mr. Listen, I bet you can't be back ashore.
I bet you have a life jacket.
You know, how far you going to
go back up here, sir.
People, I don't care about life jackets. Me can't swim. My foot must can touch water bottom.
Too coward.
My foot must can touch water bottom. Coward man keep sound bone, yeah? That me learn. Coward. Not gonna lie.
Some kebabs here with some fruit juice in this, you know? Fire up your light! Wait, come, say it again now.
I'm going to France between the pool, guys.
Oh, good. We go down far.
Guys, I'm going to walk this now too. Come in the box.
Watch him guys. Me tell him say we are going to the room and I watch him. Jaden! Come! Jay, get your slippers!
So you are welcome to join us, and we're going to have as well give more information about our club right now.
Enjoy your weekend?
It was fab.
Yeah?
Yes, I did.
Them say all good things come to an end, you know. Jaden, you enjoy your weekend?
Yes.
Look for food all over your mask. Eh? Curry, everything. Pasta, sauce, everything, eh?
No, sorry, not on my mask.
Yeah man, curry on your mask. While Jaden go and figure out what they put in mask. You know, thanks for watching guys.
Yes.
Alright.
Thank you for staying tuned. And guys, I did enjoy myself. So we said babe, tin mackerel thinking you put off.
You put off for now, but guys you can look out. I think one of the subscribers had mentioned me cooking lamb for Cass instead, you know. So one of them days I'm gonna do the lamb still, you know. Nobody thinks I forget that, you know. She give me a good recipe and how to get it for marinate to be what you call it, you know,
soft
tender and everything. So I'm gonna do that. You understand? Soon you can look out for that.
I'm looking forward. Because I like lamb. I like lamb and I like salmon. So.
Yeah.
I'm looking
guys.
forward.
So if you enjoyed the video guys, please hit the thumbs up.
Remember to hit the notification bell so you know every time we post a video.
Yep.
And give us a thumbs up.
Yep.
Right? If you do like our content, give us that thumbs up.
Alright guys. Bye.
Bye guys.